Lovelies, I've received some good amount of money from this platform that I'm going to share with you today. Remember, I've received around more than even $700 last year, and for January I received enough. How did I receive this money? I received them in two ways. Some of it was like commission, I can say commission, top up, and others was referral. I'm talking about Taptap Send. Taptap Send, by the way, you guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not paid to post this video, but I just want to help someone out there, a person who is in these countries, to really access it. I'm not a brand ambassador or given any commission. So I'm doing it on my own for the love of my people, especially the ones who find themselves in the countries I'm going to mention. In the last 1 month, I've so far done more than 50 transactions, of which these 50 transactions, people are giving me money to send for them back home. Can I shock you? As I record this video, I'm not going to edit it. This video, 1 dirham is equal to 1,007 Ugandan shillings. That means that you are going to send 1 million at 1,000. And on top of it, I would love to share with you the advantages. Do you see that I'm seated at the comfort of my home? If someone says, please, I want to send money, I don't need to hustle. I don't need to run and go to maybe to the exchanges. What I do, I sit like this and send the money. I only use my phone. So what made me come up with this video? I saw the list of the people I've been sending for money for the last 30 days. Even the Taptap Send itself can confirm. I've sent more than 100 individuals, both my own and even to the people that I'm helping. What are these people that I'm helping? I help people, especially if they don't have Emirates ID, they don't have bank accounts. I do send for them. And sometimes, of course, when you send for them, you see like the way the exchange rate, 1 dirham is equal to 1,000 plus. And I end up maybe someone has put the exchange rate, had calculated at 900 dirham, 900, like $1, 1 dirham is equal to 900 dirham. I get that top up. They even go ahead and give me the money for sending, but no more, you guys. I don't want to do this apart from the people who don't have this, what I'm going to talk about. So you guys, do you know you can use Taptap Send, provided even if you're in Uganda? I was in Uganda, but people didn't know that I was away from United Arab Emirates. I was sending for them money. Someone puts money and say, Christine, please help me and send to my account, to my family. So you can use this Taptap Send in any country, provided you have already downloaded it and it is still, you're still in should I call it in that timeline, as in your ID has not yet expired. What are the requirements before we go very far? The requirements: you have to be living in these countries that I'm going to mention for you. First, it is United Arab Emirates. You have to be living there. Then you have to be living, when you're United Arab Emirates, you have the chances to send in very many countries that I'm going to show you. You have to be living in United Kingdom, European Union countries, United States, Canada, where I live, that is United Arab Emirates, and Australia. 2, 4, 6, these 4, 6 countries. So you guys, if you know you're in these 6 countries, don't go to suffer with charges, with the pressure to move, with inconveniences. If you know you have your Emirates ID, you have in these countries have your ident card, you have a bank account. Also, you need to have at least a residential proof. Residential proof is very easy. How do you get it? It's not a must that you should be owning. Not everybody will be owning a flat. Not everybody will be owning an apartment in your names. But previously, you've been sending you're sending money through Al Ansari and other exchanges. And when you're going to send in those exchanges, they always tell you to register. So you put place of residence. That is the proof. So you can also use that. Now, how many countries can you send to? There are very many countries, and Taptap Send is still increasing, because I can see in Africa there are more than 20. We have Benin, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Ethiopia, Egypt, DRC, Uganda, Kenya, Liberia, Mozambique, Tunisia, Zimbabwe. There are very many. Go and check for yourself. Then in Asia, there are very many also, 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 countries in Asia whereby you find Bangladesh, Cambodia, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Philippines. And I'm happy that most people from Sri Lanka, people from Bangladesh, and even from Indonesia, I have Indian friends that had to use me as the code, and I ended getting money. They are now sending money. There's no struggle that you're going to run now, withdraw your money and go to send back home. No. It is in Latin America. You can even send in Middle East. In Middle East, you can send in Lebanon, and even you send in Turkey. Now, right now, when I'm sending money to India, because there are some people I have as partners in India, I don't run to go to these exchanges to send money. I just get your account number, or I get your mobile money account, and I send at the comfort of my home. As you saw, I have showed you that I've so far sent in 1 month more than 100 transactions. Now let's go to monetary terms. Compensation plan. How is it? Disclaimer, I already told you guys, me, I'm not being paid by Taptap Send. So whatever you're seeing, I'm doing it to help you. I'm doing to make sure that you who is watching and you send money, you should not suffer. So if you're in United Arab Emirates, you guys, and you have your bank, you have already a bank account, you're eligible, you have your Emirates ID, don't suffer. Why? This app has, by the way, good rates, and it does not charge anything when you're sending. No. If it charges like 0.00 something. Because when I send 1,000, people will receive more than 1,000. Now, what did I want to tell you on compensation, like compensation side? You guys, every transfer you send on your first transfer, if you use someone's code, like now you're hearing it from Immaculate, from Chokshaba Christine, I have a code. The moment you register, you become like a partner. That's how I call it. You become like their partner. So everybody here gains. You gain, I gain. So if you go back, like you can see my code on the screen. It's Christine 67. Is it Christine 67 something? 6793. So if you go to do anything, right, you go to send money on your first transfer, not this first transfer, you put my code, you are going to give me, it's like not you, but you putting my code, Taptap will give me 20 dirham. I've been earning this one, I've been enjoying it, 20 dirham. You will get yours on the first transfer. Do this money come to your account? I want to clarify that, because there is one of the person, after sending, he was waiting to get that money. Now, if you send like this, you use my code. On my Taptap Send, I'll get 20 dirham. Then the person you're sending for, if you're sending 50, for example, Ugandan shillings, if you're sending 50,000, that person is going to receive 70,000. Hope I'm clear there. This Taptap Send is very good, you guys. You need to venture into it. Now in Uganda, you can pay airtime and data. You can even confirm other things to pay. The moment you download and organize and set up your account, you're going to know this. So far, you guys, if I show you, but it's not right for me to show my money, I've earned a total very good amount of money. If you change it from dollar and put, it is completely very good. So we recap the compensation plan. 1, you send with my code on the first transfer, I'll get 20. And also you will get 20, meaning that whoever you're sending for on the first transfer will get extra 20. Then 2, there is no hassle. and it does not charge. So use my code, please. I will gain and you'll gain.